I'm gonna die for making this video. One day, Scarly and Rheneas were talking about wash behind your buffers. It was nice of Madge to give me and Rheneas a nice clean wash down. I agree, Scarly. Hey, it's like watching a mother giving her kids a bath. It's adorable, honestly. Yeah, Yummy Tay said that, and she's a nice lady. If a mom is giving her kid a bath, isn't she washing his? Don't you dare say that! Why? Because there might be children watching. Well, I don't care about children. Duncan, if you say that one more time, I will push you off the... Don't you dare, Sir Handel. Will you two knock it off? I agree. Where's Rusty? I don't know, Rheneas. We don't need Rusty. Duncan, that's very rude. I don't care. God. Well, I better get this milk tanker to the dairy on time.